Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your baby girl Mama Woso. In today's video, I'm going to share with you how to make your homemade ice cream, and if you want to know how I achieve this, stay tuned to the end of this video. So guys, for a start, I'm using Schlafzane in Dutch, which is called whipped cream. It's heavy whipped cream, and I'm using milk. This is condensed milk, and you can see I'm using 340 grams. It's 10% fat, and you can see the heavy cream is 30% fat, 200 grams. And the next one is my vanilla extract. So keep watching, guys. So let's get started. The heavy cream or heavy whipping cream is the same, just like milk. Just the difference is just the much fat in it. So keep watching, guys. So now I'm going to beat the cream until stiff bits form inside. So guys, I'm going to mix it for about 8 to 10 minutes. Take note, guys, if you don't have baking mixer, you can also use your hand mixer. The both goes. The truth is that I actually have the both, but I can't just find my bake mixer where I kept it, so I decided to make use of what I have at the moment. Some people, they use blender, so anything goes, but when you are mixing, you must know how long you have to mix it. So now the next step is to add in my condensed milk and the vanilla extract and mix everything together. So keep watching, guys. Take note, friends, this is the time to add in any ingredient of your choice. If you have anything you want to add, for example, like chocolate, like egg, also sugar or honey, yeah, this is the right time to add it and mix everything together. So that is it, guys. And before I forget, if you are new to my channel, you've not yet subscribed, please kindly join my family by smashing that red sign that says subscribe. Turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss out whenever I upload new videos. I normally upload videos on weekly basis. And to my OG returning subscribers, I see you. Thank you so much for always coming by. I really appreciate you guys. So keep watching, guys. At this moment, I'm done mixing. So guys, at this moment, I'm going to use the cover of the bowl and cover it, leave it in the freezer for about 6 to 7 hours. So guys, I ended up leaving it for 7 hours, and here is the final stage. Oh my goodness, ooh la la! You can see how the ice cream is well blocked. Yes, guys, our freezer is very powerful, honestly. I shouldn't have leave it for so long like this, but that is it, guys. So right now, guys, I'm just going to go ahead and serve the ice cream in a plate. Oh my goodness, guys, this recipe is so simple and easy to achieve. If you haven't tried this recipe, give it a try, and a trial will convince you. Yes, guys, to be honest, guys, this ice cream is so yummy and creamy. Yes, guys. So please don't forget to share your thoughts at the comment section down below. Feel free to share my video. It's a way of helping your girl to grow, and I would love to hear your thoughts if you've tried this recipe or you will give it a try. Yes, guys. So guys, I'm done serving the ice cream. This thing serves like sugar to me. Yes, it's for baking. So the next thing I'm going to do is just go ahead and sprinkle it all over the ice cream. Oh my goodness, you can also get this thing in Aldi or Lidl. Yes, for those of you that stays in Europe. I don't know about other countries, but you can get it in a supermarket too. So I believe I've come to the end of this video, guys. If you enjoy watching this video, don't forget to like, share your thoughts at the comment section down below. Don't forget that there will be end stream popping up at the end part of this video. Please do not hesitate to check other of my videos. Yeah. So guys, I will see you in my next upcoming video, because as of now I am out. Bye. Ciao.
Yo.